Today I'm going to show you how to make perfect dubu-jorim. Time is gold, let's go. 350 grams of tofu. Wrap it in a kitchen towel. For the sauce, half tablespoon of sugar, half teaspoon of grounded pepper, 1 tablespoon of beef MSG, 1 tablespoon of Gochugaru, half tablespoon of minced garlic, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of tuna fish sauce, 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce. Mix well. 2 tablespoons of cooking oil. Cook one side until golden brown. Turn around and cook other side as well. Sauce mix in 200 milliliters of water, 150 grams of onion, 50 grams of spring onion. Cook over low heat until sauce reduces. Put some sesame seeds for the garnish. Your easy and delicious dubujorim is ready. Enjoy your meal. Bye now.